Hi guys, this is Mina and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to the Ecorin village in Eniwa and I'm here with two of my friends, Christine, who is the main guest in my channel. She looks very pretty today. And I'm with another friend, Nikki, and she has a YouTube channel. I will put a link down below, and if you guys like this type of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have arrived at the Ecorin village, and the first thing you will see is the huge selection of plants that you can buy. Eniwa is known as the Garden City of Hokkaido, and you can clearly see it here at the Ecorin village. They have different kinds of plants and flowers that you can really enjoy. This is the entrance to the world's largest tomato plant. As you can see, there's social distancing and they have sanitizers. Konnichiwa. Behind me is the world's biggest tomato plant, and it can produce up to 20,000 pieces of tomatoes. Here at the Ecorin village, they also have a kitchen garden where they source their organic fruits and vegetables, and they use it at their own restaurants. Look at this! This is huge! As you can see, there are different kinds of pumpkins here, such as the Long Island cheese, the winter squash, and so on. And this pumpkin that you use when you carve your jack-o'-lantern. The entrance fee is 1,200 yen for adults and 600 yen for children ages 0 to 15 years old.
それでは簡単な説明いたしますので、こちらのスタッフでお願いします。ありがとうございます。
We are now at the rose garden here at the Ecorin village, but unfortunately there aren't a lot of roses here anymore because summer is almost over. Where we can see the alpacas. Here at the Alpaca Store, of course, they are selling alpaca souvenir items like this really cute alpaca doll is only 1,078 yen. So if you're into alpacas, then this is a place for you. Because we we are already starving and we haven't had lunch, we are going to have an early dinner here at the restaurant at the Ecorin Village called Rakuda Ken. And this is what we ordered. This is pasta with meat on top. That's the end of our video, and if you guys liked it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And again, this is Mina, Nikki, and Christine, and we'll see you next time. See ya!